welcome back to my channel. It's me, Oliver Natural. So today I'm going to be trying out this new product. This is the Radiance Spin Care System. I would compare it to a Clarisonic. I personally have never used a Clarisonic or a spin brush before, so I'm pretty excited to see how this works on my skin. So this spin brush is from the company Duvolle. They sent me this product, so I'm going to show you guys how it works on my skin. It contains 4 different spin heads. So this large one is for the body, to exfoliate the body. And then this little one here, that's more gray, is to cleanse the skin. And this one is to exfoliate the skin. And this is for your crusty feet. So I'm gonna try it now and see. This will also be like a mini skincare routine, but not really. So if you would like the full skincare routine, make sure you guys leave a comment down below and a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, please. I'm going to be using my facial cleanser by Cetaphil. This is the one that I like to use nowadays. I always follow up with a moisturizer. The moisturizer that I like to use during the day is this Daily Moisturizer by Simple, and it contains SPF 15. I live in Florida, so you know, even though I'm black people need sunscreen too. So it's very important to use a moisturizer that contains sunscreen. So in this video, I'm only going to use the cleansing brush. So let's get into it. So this is the cleansing brush. I already installed the batteries. You have to put in 4 AA batteries and then it'll work. Batteries are not included. Just stick it here and that's it. So this here is to turn it on and this is to turn it off. Now, as you can see, it doesn't spin like rapidly fast, so that's comforting because, you know, it could be a little intimidating. The bristles feel really nice and soft. Now I'm going to rinse my face. First I'm going to wash my hands. So I'm going to do that now. So after I rinse my face with warm water, I'm going to add just a little bit of my Cetaphil. So I usually just rub in my skin, and that usually does a job, but I'm willing to see what difference this spin care brush will do in the long term. Now I'm going to wet the spin brush a little bit. And then I'm going to use it. Ooh, it's kind of tickly. Oh. This is nice. It's like a massage. Cool. Oh, this feels so nice. I feel like it's not getting that soapy though. It could be my facial cleanser. Let me add a little more water. There we go. A little more sudsy. So that was pretty cool. I definitely feel like my skin got a deeper cleanse. And then let me show you the dirt that came off of my face. So now I'm just gonna rinse off the spin head and then my face. Okay, I'm gonna grab my towel and just towel dry. So my skin looks pretty clean, squeaky clean. Okay. Now I'm going to take my moisturizer. I'm going to use just a little bit and apply it to my skin. And voila! So I really enjoyed using the Duvolle Radiance Spin Care System. I feel a deeper clean than I usually do from just using my hands. So that was pretty cool. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys would like to see my full skincare routine, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Oh,